Alright, so this video is going to show you another way to determine what the major key is when given the key signature, or to determine the key signature if given the major key. Alright, so let's just take a quick peek again at the order of sharps and flats. Here is our Father Charles goes down and ends battle, and order of flats being battle ends and down goes Charles Father. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to come up with a way to determine how many sharps or flats are in each key. So here is our order of sharps again, and here is the flats down on this, right? So we got our Father Charles goes down and ends battle, our battle ends and down goes Charles Father. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cross off the F and the C here, and we're going to bring that over here. Then we're going to cross off this F here and bring that over here. Now what we have is we have a list of major keys. So here we have, we'll just write the numbers in the middle, and I'll explain what these numbers mean in a second. So now what we have is a list of our major keys. Here are the major keys with sharps in them, and here are the major keys with flats in them. So what do I mean? Well, I mean that G major would have 1 sharp, D major will have 2 sharps, A major 3 sharps, E major 4 sharps, B major 5 sharps, F sharp major 6 sharps, C sharp major 7 sharps. And as far as flats goes, F major will have 1 flat, B flat major 2 flats, E flat 3 flats, A flat 4 flats, D 5, G 6, and C flat 7 flats. Okay, and just keeping in mind again that this is in fact B flat major, not just B major, so B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and C flat, and that it is in fact F sharp and C sharp major up here. Okay, so I would recommend either moving these over as I did, or you can come up with your own acrostic poems for each of the new arrangement of letters. So now let's just use an example now that we've rearranged this. Remember that these are our major keys now, so this would be a key of G major with 1 sharp. So if I have a key signature with sharps, here we have a key signature with 4 sharps. So we look at our sharp key, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this would be E major. If we had one with 1 sharp, we look at 1, and here's our sharp key, 1, so this would be G major. Now just going backwards, if you were asked to write the key signature for B major, B major, as we can see up here, is a sharp key and would have 5 sharps. So our sharps, 5 sharps. So now to clarify, when we're doing it this way, if we know that B flat major has 5 sharps, what 5 sharps does it have? Well, it has the first 5 sharps in our original order of sharps. So it would have Father Charles goes down and. So it would have the first 5 sharps. So we'd write them in as such. There's F, C, G, D, and A. Remembering that A goes down the octave here. And one more. So why don't we say F sharp major? So F sharp major is in our list of sharp keys, and it would have 6 sharps, as we can see there. So let's write in those 6 sharps. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, and E sharp. Again, with those 6 sharps, well, what 6 sharps would they be? Well, they'd be the first 6 in our original order of sharps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Taking us down, so all the sharps above. Okay, our flats would work very similar. So if we were given a key signature with 3 flats, we'd look at our flat keys. 1, 2, 3, 3 flats would be E flat major. So we just write in the E flat major. If we were given 4 flats, here's our flat key, 1, 2, 3, 4, the A flat major. Now let's take a quick peek if we had to identify a key signature, to write a key signature. So let's say I gave you G flat major. We look at our flats here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. G flat major has 6. What 6 flats does it have? Well, it has the first 6 in our original order of flats. Remember, battle ends and down goes Charles' father. So we take our first 6 and we take us down to a C. So battle ends and down goes Charles. So there is our G flat major key signature. And one more. So if I gave you F major, we take a look. Well, F is in our flat keys, right? That's different from an F sharp. So F's in our flat keys. It has 1 flat. What 1 flat does it have? Well, it would have the first one in order, so B flat here. We write in the key signature as such. So here is how to do sharps and flats and key signatures and identifying key signatures by rearranging our original order of sharps and flats.